Hey everybody, we are on week 2. These girls have learned their song and they are ready to put it together. So now that they've gone through the mint slicing and got all their stars done, step 2 is putting it together. We're going to work on musicality next week, but this week we just need to get the notes right and hands together. Since you haven't worked on it together yet, let me show you how that's done. Come on in and we'll show you how to find it in the software. So here's the song. We have Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy. You open it up, and remember they worked on the primo and the secondo. Well, there's also a duet thing here. So if they come in here and then just choose the chop slicing, you're going to see something pretty cool, that they have section A, where they can work on section A first, and then we're going to work on section B, then A prime, and then we're going to put it all together. And there are 3 speeds. 1, 2, and then 3. So let's just watch them do section A, the first speed. You guys ready?
1, 2, set, go.
Does it feel really slow?
Very slow.
It's actually a good thing when it's slow. Why? It makes sure you really know your timing and your notes. You can't be sloppy when you're going slow. Someone once told me, if you want to learn fast, practice slow. And I have tried it out, it really works. So do that when you're practicing. Practice slow and you will learn fast. Sometimes it takes a lot of discipline to kind of force yourself to go slow, because it is hard. Since you guys have already done this separately, it makes it really easy to put together. Not to mention, you've actually heard your partner's part in the background when you were practicing. How did you do? Let's take a look. You guys got a 98%, and this was that oop part that Audrey said. She missed that walk down. Miley missed the note right there. Okay, so you guys can work on that and get that better. But if I open this, you can see there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stars left. So they are 8% of the way complete. What I want you to do is work together, finish all of those, and then next week we're actually going to take you to an acoustic piano and we're going to start to work on musicality. And then the following week we'll record it. So you guys ready? Go ahead and get started. You guys can just keep working. So I'll see you guys next week when we put it together and start working on the musicality part. This should be really fun. We'll see you guys next week.